It is a beautiful, warm summer morning in the big green forest.
The bright yellow sun shines down, making the leaves look very happy.
The forest smells like fresh green grass and sweet summer flowers. In the middle of the forest, 5 good friends are playing happily. First, there is Roro, a cute, chubby white rabbit with soft fur. He has sparkling blue eyes and cute rosy pink cheeks. Quack! There is Dodo, a vibrant, bright yellow duckling. Dodo has a special white mark that looks like a winter snowflake. He has tiny wings, but he flaps them very fast.
Third, there is Kiki, a beautiful gray cat who is very, very smart. She has a distinct white diamond patch and always has great ideas.
Playing with them is Pinky, a chubby, round baby pig. Oink, oink! Pinky has a funny curly tail and loves sweet red berries. And the other friend is Chippy, a small, fast baby chipmunk. Squeak!
He has brown fur with cute black and white stripes on his back.
He runs quickly on his orange webbed feet. Welcome, friends! We're here! I will catch you, Dodo! Quack, quack! I'm getting closer now. Pinky tries to run fast, but his tummy is very full. Kiki and Chippy sit on a rock and laugh at their funny friends. Look, there they go! Suddenly, the wind starts to blow very hard. Oh no! The wind is very strong! I'm scared! Look up! Look at the tall oak tree! High up in the tree, a small brown nest is shaking. The wind blows again! Oh no!
The small brown nest falls from the high branch.
Thump! It lands on a soft patch of green moss.
The 5 friends run to the nest very quickly.
They look inside. There are 3 tiny baby birds. Don't worry, little ones. We're here. Shh, it's okay. You're safe now. We will help you find your way. Poor little baby birds. They fell from their home. The ground is not safe. There are big bugs. I can handle it. Stay back. We must help them. We must put them back in the tree. I will fly them up. But he is too small to fly high. Squeak! I can climb, but the nest is too big for my paws. What's wrong, Chippy? We'll help you, don't worry. Kiki the smart cat thinks. Suddenly, she has a great idea. We need a new home for them. A beautiful wooden treehouse. Roro, a treehouse? That is a great idea, Kiki! Quack, quack! Oink, oink. But, wood is heavy. How will we take it up there? The friends are quiet. They are only small baby animals. But together, they can be strong. Let's find the wood first. Then, we will use science. Hooray for the forest team! I will find the biggest branches. Oink! The branch is heavy, but Pinky is very strong. I can find small branches. Squeak. We need something to tie the branches together. Here, long green vines. Perfect.
Ah, these green vines are like strong ropes.
We've got it! Look at this huge pile of vines! Perfect! We have everything we need now, waddling it into the frame.
Dodo looks at the big pile of wood. He does not know what to do.
Dodo, we need a soft bed. Please gather some green moss. Quack! I will make the softest bed ever!
The friends start to build the walls of the treehouse.
Pull it tight. The house must be very strong.
Here are more twigs for the walls.
Whew, they work very hard together. They are a great team.
Oink!
A big roof to stop the rain.
Finally, the beautiful wooden treehouse is finished. Now it is very soft and warm inside. Cheep? Cheep? You are safe now, little friends. The baby birds are not scared anymore. They like the soft moss. We did a great job. The house is perfect. Yes! The house sow, but the house is still on the ground. They must put the house back up in the tall tree.
I am very strong. I will push it up. Grrr. Push, push, oink.
But the wooden house is too heavy. It does not move. The house remains still. I will help you, Pinky. On count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Push. Push harder. Push harder. Come on. Even with Roro's help, it is still too heavy. Look. Everyone together now. Push, push, push. An energetic chorus of exaggerated animal sounds follows. Whoa. Oof. Squeak. I will pull from the top. Chippy drops the vine. Roro quickly catches it. Okay, Chippy, it is tied very tight. Nice work, Roro.
Heave, ho. Heave, ho, ho.
Chippy is too small. The heavy house pulls him down. The 5 friends are very tired. They sit down to rest. Quack! We cannot do it. It is too heavy for baby animals. My tummy is empty, and my legs are very tired.
No. We promised to help them. We must keep trying.
Kiki the smart cat is quiet. She is thinking very hard. A round branch. And a strong vine hanging down. I know how to lift the heavy house. Her friends look at her. What is Kiki's new idea? We will not push it. We will use science. Science? Is that a type of yummy berry? Science? What does that even mean? No, Dodo. Science is magic that is real. We will build a machine. We will build a special machine called a pulley. A pulley. Squeak. That sounds amazing. What do we do? Roro, Pinky. Bring the longest, thickest green vine you can find.
Yes, Captain Kiki.
Chippy, climb up to that smooth, round branch high up there.
Chippy climbs up, up, up into the tall tree.
I am ready up here. Bring the vine. I see them. They're coming back. We made it. Mmm, delicious.
They bring back the longest, thickest vine in the forest. Phew, that vine was very, very heavy.
Great job, team. Now we will build the machine. Dodo is so tired that he has fallen asleep. Quack! Quack! I am awake. I am ready for science. Chippy, catch this. I am throwing it up.
She throws the end of the vine up into the tall tree.
I got it. Squeak.
Over the branch it goes. Look out below.
The vine falls down. Now there are 2 sides of the vine on the ground.
Perfect. We have made our pulley machine.
Kiki takes one side of the vine to the wooden treehouse.
I will tie a super strong knot. It will never break. Now, instead of pushing the house up, we pull this vine down. Oh! Pulling down is much easier than pushing up. Quack!
The friends line up. They hold the long green vine tightly.
Hold on tight, everyone. We must pull together.
Wait for me. I want to pull too.
Squeak!
Chippy grabs the very end of the vine. They are all ready. Is everybody ready to use science?
Yes! We are ready! 1, 2, 3. P-U-L.
The strong green vine stretches tight like a rubber band.
Suddenly, the heavy wooden house begins to wiggle.
Ho, ha, ha! It is working! The pulley is working! Pull harder!
Oink! Science is amazing! Keep pulling!
Together!
On the count of 3,
1, 2, 3.
the heavy wooden house lifts off the ground.
It feels so light now.
Like a feather.
We did it!
Look at it go!
Quack! Oh no! I am slipping! Help! I slipped!
It's falling. We have to hold it.
Cheap! Cheap!
I got it. I will not let it fall.
I am sorry. I am pulling again. They must all work perfectly together. That is teamwork.
The beautiful wooden house goes up, up, up.
Cheap, cheap. Cheap, cheap. Cheap, cheap.
Keep pulling. We are almost at the top. Hold it steady. Let me see what the problem is.
I see it. The vine is twisted on a rough spot. Go, Chippy. We will hold it tight.
Chippy runs up the tall tree as fast as lightning.
I am here. I see the bad twist. He uses his tiny paws to untwist the green vine. With a sharp snap, it's free. It is free. The vine is free. Squeak! Pa 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 pe na! Father yo! Yo! Now bright is pink, come and sa! 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
The green vine slides smoothly over the branch.
Stop! It is high enough.
Chippy pushes the treehouse safely onto the big branch.
I have it. It is safe. I am tying it very tight. Squeak! I did it.
The friends wait quietly.
Is the house safe? Okay, letting go. slowly.
The vine is loose, but the house stays up high.
Hooray! We did it! We saved them!
Oink! I am so happy but so tired.
Quack, quack! Best team ever!
Great teamwork, Roro. Science and friendship win.
Squeak! That was the best adventure ever.
They all look up at the beautiful treehouse. It is strong, warm, and very safe.
Cheep, cheep, cheep! Thank you!
The afternoon sun begins to set. The forest is quiet.
The long, exciting day is almost over.
Tweet! Tweety! Quack! Quack! What was that scary sound?
It is the mother bird. She has come back with food.
Tweet? My nest. Where is my nest? She sees the broken branch. Her babies are gone.
Tweet, tweet, tee, too. Tweet, tweet, tee, too.
Oh, where are you? Oh no. The mommy is very sad. I will help. Mama Squirrel, we found your babies. They're safe. We found them. Hello, Mother Bird. Do not cry. Look down here. Look down here.
Tweet? Who are you? Quack! Squeak! Meow!
Your babies are safe. Look higher up in the tree.
I think they're up there. Good idea. Let's go. Go. To the top. Cheep. Mama. Mama. We are here. Cheep. Mama. Mama. We are here.
Chirp. Oh, my little ones. Chirp, chirp. I'm so happy.
She flies up as fast as her wings can flap.
My sweet babies, I am coming.
She lands softly at the door of the new home. She looks inside and sees her babies are very safe.
Cheep, cheep. We missed you, Mama. Coo, coo, coo.
She cries happy tears. Her family is safe. She looks down at the brave friends who saved them. Tweet, tweet, cheep, cheep, tweet, tweet, chirrup, chirp, trill. She sings a beautiful song to say thank you.
That is a very happy song.
The beautiful song makes everyone feel warm inside.
The sun goes down, and the forest is peaceful again.
The friends sit on the grass and rest after their hard work.
Oink! Building a machine makes me very hungry.
Pinky finds the sweet red berry bush again. Here are some sweet berries for everyone.
Kiki washes her face with her soft gray paw.
Look at the green vine. Science is amazing. The pulley is a very wonderful machine. We are only small baby animals, but the pulley made us very strong. Yes! Squeak! We were super strong.
The heavy wooden house went up, up, up like a light feather.
Roro takes a big bite of a red berry.
Science is very amazing. But
I know a better magic.
Dodo blinks his big, beautiful brown eyes.
Quack? What is the better magic, Roro?
It's the magic of working together, Dodo.
Roro smiles a warm smile at his friends. Teamwork.
the pulley helped us lift the heavy house.
But the pulley cannot work alone. We needed 5 friends pulling together to make it work. Ha! Teamwork is the best magic in the forest. Oink! Best team ever. Quack!
Best friends forever.
The friends laugh together. They are very happy.
The bright golden sun slowly goes down behind the tall green trees.
The sky turns into beautiful colors. There is light pink and soft purple in the sky.
And warm orange light touches the tall trees.
The forest wind blows gently. Swish, swish. The big green forest is very quiet and peaceful.
High up in the tree, the family is safe. The baby birds are sleeping safely in their new home.
It is getting late. We should go home.
The friends stand up and stretch their tired legs. Roro, Dodo, Kiki, Pinky, and Chippy walk towards the forest path. They walk back home together.
night, forest. Time to explore.
Look at the water over there.
Let's go. They are very tired, but they are very happy.
They know they can solve any problem. If they use their smart brains.
And work together. Together, nothing is too heavy.
They are the best team. Good night, Big Green Forest.